Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of wealth management, and trust me, this is the kind of knowledge that can completely transform your financial future. We're talking about going from being clueless about your money to becoming the master of your financial destiny. Look, I know a lot of people think wealth management is just for the super rich, but honestly, that's just not true. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out with a few bucks in your pocket or you're already making some serious cash, the principles are the same. It's all about taking control of your money so you can build a secure and, dare I say, even a wealthy future. So, whether you're dreaming of buying your dream house, retiring early and traveling the world, or just want to feel financially secure, this video is for you. Stick around until the very end, because I'm going to be sharing a bonus tip that could be an absolute game changer for your financial journey. Alright, let's kick things off with the absolute foundation of any solid financial plan: budgeting. I know it might sound about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me on this one. Budgeting is like your financial GPS, guiding you towards your goals and helping you avoid those nasty financial potholes along the way. The key here is to track your expenses like a hawk. Seriously, you need to know where every single dollar is going. Are you spending way too much on takeout coffee? Could you cut back on those subscription services you barely even use? Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can start making informed decisions about where to cut back and where to allocate more of your hard-earned cash. Remember, creating a budget isn't about depriving yourself, it's about being mindful of your spending and making sure your money is working as hard for you as you worked for it. It's about aligning your spending with your long-term goals and building a solid financial foundation. Okay, now that we've tackled budgeting, let's talk about something that can really save your bacon when life throws you a curveball: emergency funds. We're talking about those unexpected expenses that pop up out of nowhere, like a surprise car repair or a medical bill that makes your jaw drop. Having a dedicated emergency fund can be the difference between weathering those financial storms comfortably and ending up drowning in debt. Imagine this: your car breaks down and you're hit with a $1,500 repair bill. Without an emergency fund, you might be forced to put that expense on a high-interest credit card, which can quickly spiral into a mountain of debt. But if you have a healthy emergency fund in place, you can handle that expense with ease and avoid going into debt. It's about having peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for whatever financial challenges life throws your way. Now, let's talk about putting your money to work for you through the magic of investing. And the sooner you start, the better. You might be thinking, investing? But I'm not a Wall Street hotshot. Listen, you don't need to be a financial guru to start investing. The power of compound interest is like a financial superpower. It's basically your money earning interest on top of interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine two people, both wanting to retire with $1 million. Person A starts investing in their 20s, while person B waits until their 40s. You know what's crazy? Person A could end up investing way less over their lifetime thanks to the magic of compound interest. It's like planting a tree. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is today. Alright, let's talk about diversification, which basically means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Think of it like this: you wouldn't bet your entire life savings on a single horse race, right? The same principle applies to investing. By spreading your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate, you're creating a safety net for your portfolio. If one investment takes a hit, the others can help cushion the blow. Diversification is all about managing risk and making sure your portfolio is built to withstand market fluctuations. It's about creating a well-rounded approach to investing that can help you reach your financial goals while minimizing potential losses. Finally, let's talk about the importance of continuous financial education. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Luckily, we live in an age where information is readily available at our fingertips. Make it a habit to read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial experts who resonate with you. The more you learn about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. By committing to continuous learning, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to navigate the complexities of personal finance and achieve your financial aspirations. So there you have it, the fundamental building blocks of wealth management. We covered everything from the importance of budgeting and building an emergency fund to the power of investing early and diversifying your investments. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, and it all starts with taking that first step. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Now, for that bonus tip I promised, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. This way, you'll consistently grow your wealth without even having to think about it. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Until next time, take care of yourselves and keep crushing it.